Hello, how are you, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple HTML document using your simple browser at home without even using any data bundle. But before we just begin, I'd like to ask you to hit the subscribe button down below so that you can get to see more of my YouTube videos. So without waste of any time, let's start by opening a folder here. On this we'll go to the documents, and then on this we're going to open a new text document which will name it admin.html. Now just use the lowercase. Something, then we click enter. It will ask something like this, and if it doesn't ask something like this, make sure, I'm sorry, I have two names here, so I'll just put it as the admin2. But if it does not ask you to open it on the browser, make sure that on the view tab here the file name extension is clicked to tick. You'll get this new web page here, something like this. Mine is just written too because I have another one with the same name here. So after you do that, you can just, for example, click the document, and you'll realize that it's a plain website here on the net, and my browser I use. You realize that it's a plain website here. This is true because there's nothing written on it or edited on it yet. So down to the next step, we're going to open this with at this point you'll really need to have a good code writing app or a software or a notebook that can write out the code of any page. As for me, I use this code writer which is available in the the Microsoft Play Store, so I'm just going to click it there, and then let me just minimize this, and then here we go. As you can see, I have a blank code, nothing is coded on this side on this code writer, and in the same way there's nothing on the HTML document. So to begin with, any HTML document has to be identified as a doc type of HTML. So the first step to begin is to declare this type of document, which you write doc type, and then this will be HTML, and then there's an exclamation mark at the beginning here, and then we have the closing tab there. So in every HTML document, this has to appear on the top to declare it as a HTML document for the browser to recognize it. Then the other thing is to open the HTML, and then automatically my code writer writes the closing of the HTML, which appears like this with this opening notations here. Then we have this line, then the HTML, then close it. So it's something like this. This is the representation of an HTML document basics at the beginning. So in the HTML document we have the headings and the titles. So let me begin with somehow an heading, just a simple heading. So to write an heading, you put this, make sure you use all lower cases. If you're using code writer, it will automatically indicate for you the closing tab of the heading, and then in it you can write something like welcome to my YouTube, or welcome to my page, welcome to my page, something like that. Then you have the closing. For instance, if I save this, you can also press Ctrl and S, then refresh here. You'll see something has appeared on my web page here. This is the heading, of my page. I'm just teaching you some basic tutorials. The other thing we have in an HTML document is we can add several headings, but here I'm going to add a paragraph. So to write a paragraph, we just open it and then close it like that. If you're using CodeWriter, it will automatically bring this closing notations, which is basically written this way. Let me just put a stroke and then P. This is a closing of a paragraph, same to a heading, but here we use an H. So this was just an example. So here in this paragraph I'll write this. Let me just use purple at the beginning. This is my first page. Welcome viewer. Something like that. Then as you can see, let me adjust this. Here it has happened. Then if I save this and then I refresh my page, you will realize that it has appeared on the HTML document here. So that's it for today. That's the basic, just the small basic tutorials of the HTML document. In the next lesson I'll be teaching you on how to continue the paragraph, how you can add pictures until the end. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can't miss the other videos I'll be posting there, and I believe it will be helpful to you. Thank you and have a good time.